Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Truecaller account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Truecaller app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Now, from the profile page, tap on Privacy and Center. Now, look at the bottom and tap on Deactivate Account. Truecaller will show you information about what happens when your account is deleted. Read it carefully, then tap Continue or Delete Account. You may be asked to verify your phone number using OTP or confirmation message. After verification, tap Confirm to complete the process. Once confirmed, your Truecaller account will be deleted. It may take up to 24 hours for your number to be fully removed from Truecaller's database. And that's it. That's how to delete your Truecaller account on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.